So finally, the release of Super Dragon Ball Heroes Episode 40, Full Power at Last, the future deciding battle has finally concluded. Brings to an end the Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission arc. But don't be sad, it's not the end of Super Dragon Ball Heroes. It is the end of its Big Bang Mission arc because now Super Dragon Ball Heroes is bringing us a brand new season called Super Dragon Ball Heroes Ultra God Mission. As the name suggests, this arc is going to be packed with amazing and powerful battles. So today we will talk about the leaks, release date and spoilers of this season. So stay tuned till the end of the video. You all must be thinking that this time I did not give any update of episode 40 nor uploaded the episode, and why did this happen? I used to provide you everything first, be it English subtitles of the episode, spoilers, leaks, previews, but not this time. So its main reason is if you follow me on the Twitter, then you will know that there was total 71 fake strikes on my channel, due to which I was inactive for 2 months. But finally, now I have removed all fake strikes with all your support, because now the situation is like this. It is dangerous for our Dragon Ball YouTubers, but not the big ones. So for new episodes and previews, first of all, subscribe my second channel, link is in the description. So let's start now. So in this final episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes, Episode 40, Big Bang Mission, we saw amazing duo, which was power combination of Goku and Goku Super Saiyan 4, which was awesome and powerful. You know, he's a goat. And as now in the next arc, there is more possibility that we will get to see a lot of amazing and new things in Super Dragon Ball Heroes Ultra God Mission. Because as we got to see so many new transformation and new power-ups and new fusions in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, we will get to see more of Super Dragon Ball Heroes in the new season of Ultra God Mission arc for sure. So first of all, let's talk about the preview of Ultra God Mission. So in the preview, we get to see a brand new character that is the former Supreme Kai of Time named Iosu. Hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, and also helps with the Black Warrior that we saw in Goku Black vs Goku and Vegeta earlier. But wait, here's not one Black Warrior but 4 Black Warriors with Iosu, who is a former Supreme Kai of Time. And further we see in preview that Black Warrior tells Iosu that he has destroyed that fake universe of feud, that is, these Black Warriors work for Iosu. And then after the Iosu asks that you have saved your son, that is the Black Warrior can be none other than Bardock. And after this, Iosu says that now the time has come for her to appear in front of everyone. After this, the preview ends. So it can be guessed from the preview itself how much this arc is going to be exciting. One Black Warrior is Bardock, so who are the other 3 warriors? And what's the plan of Iosu? And what does she want to do? And is this a new threat to Goku and friends? And this new season of Super Dragon Ball Heroes Ultra God Mission arc will be filled with lots of new transformation and power-ups. So now let's talk about its release date. So we will get to see the episode of Dragon Ball Heroes Ultra God Mission in February. And we will get many new leaks and updates soon, which I will give you first, as well as how many of our prediction theory has come true. So I will also make videos of Big Bang Mission again. So please subscribe our channel. Till then, peace.